coming from like a serious relationship, bro, I feel like kapag yung girl ko is, she tells me na, oh, I'm gonna go out with my friends, kilala ko siya as a person and kilala ko yung mga kasama niya. I feel like magda-doubt lang ako kapag she starts telling me na I'm gonna go to this party tapos hindi ko kilala yung mga pupuntahan niya and majority nung nasa party na yun, I don't wanna say this as bad as like sounds like this, but it is true, mga manyakol.
Yun nga bro. It's not that hindi mo tinatrust
Yung partner mo.
Yung partner mo. It's just because as a guy, you know how a lot of guys
Thinks, yeah.
think,
Yeah.
right? Like, let's say sa downtown, and then you wave a lot of money. Do you expect not to get fucking robbed?
Right.
It's,
Yeah.
it's like the same concept na you'd go to a party with a lot of dudes and expect to like not get hit on or like worse. You know what I mean?
True. That's actually fair, bro.
So
That's
like
fair.
sa perspective natin, hindi tayo na parang ayoko na pumunta dyan kasi
Pinipigilan mo.
secure ako, ganun.
Oo.
Pinoprotektahan lang kita because I know
I'm as a guy, I
as
know
a
how